Please wear a mask and remember to check in on your safe entry at train stations and bus interchanges. Do read the train together app, activate access in the background, or use the train speeder token to help with contact tracing. 亲爱的乘客，请您戴上口罩，并且